Hello guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we are in the Desert Storm mission again, and the carriers. This is bad. Okay, I can't control anything right now. Okay, yep. I don't know why, but I just couldn't control my plane, like nothing happened. Yeah, this is... And also the, carrier just turned and I was like on deck and it just bumped me around. I didn't have any wheel chocks. I only had my parking brake, and that somehow held me on deck. Okay, let's take Cat 2 then. And yeah. Wings and nose strut down. Yeah, I'll keep the master arm off for now. So we are again on the Stennis right here. Okay, and we've already got enemy MiGs. Yeah, that's not too bad. We shouldn't have any problem fighting MiG-21s, I think. What would be a problem is the Su-27s, because they do have long-range missiles, and I do not have any long-range missiles except for the Sparrow, but that's not a long-range missile. And you can really only fire the Sparrow at like 5 miles range or something like that, because otherwise it just goes stupid. And so there we go, we're off the Cat. Now just give me a second. Oh no. I was on I was on full afterburner this whole time. That's why we were climbing so fast.
We have a Bandit, Bra, 325, 71 miles.
So, yeah, let's turn right. We are perfectly at corner speed.
Okay, nails.
2 o'clock.
3 o'clock. And nails, 11 o'clock.
Yeah,
And nails, 7 o'clock.
I seem to already know all of his voice lines.
055, 71 miles. And a Bandit, Bra, 070, 68 miles. And a Bandit, Bra, 070, 68 miles. Okay.
There's one guy heading towards us.
66 miles.
Oh no, that's the MiGs. Okay, we haven't locked. That was the Flogger MiGs. Is this? No. Okay, it's the island in front of us. That's where they are.
We have a Bandit 2-shift Bra, 100, 47 miles.
I don't know how to pronounce that island name. These guys are at 45 miles. 45 miles.
No can do, sir.
Dude. What even are you doing back there, Jester? Are you even a fucking real? Okay, so now we're passing Siri Islands. And that right there is Abu Musa Island.
Roger that.
41 miles. Come on,
Unable.
Dude, how can you fuck up the lock a second time?
Nails, 7 o'clock, and nails, 10 o'clock.
Okay, so the MiGs are coming our way, but they're pretty far away. And the MiG-21
Copy that.
guys are flying away from us.
Okay, got him locked.
Why is there a target coming towards us if there's not a target coming towards
37
us?
miles.
Yeah, that's the F-14 radar problems again, probably. No, it's just them. And my radar tells me that they're coming towards us, even though they're not. Yeah, I guess that's just a problem when you fly a plane designed in the 60s. But it still is, in my opinion, the best fighter aircraft ever designed, so...
Target, 31 miles.
Oh, these mirrors are pretty pixely. I don't think I should look like that. Why are these mirrors so pixely? Okay, but let's move them out so I can see more. This.
Target, 26 miles.
Oh, 26. That's pretty damn close. Come. Yeah, there we go. And now we have Su-27s trying to kill us. Perfect.
10 o'clock. And nails, 11 o'clock.
Should we flee? We probably should. I don't want to get shot down by an Su-27 right now. Okay. Let me try to notch. Oh, there we are.
21 miles.
Are we notching? Yeah, pretty much. They're also above us, which is... Everything is not great right now. MiG-23s are turning away, as always, because probably an F-14 is going to shoot them down. And we have two Su-27s trying to kill us. And I'm alone. So,
Target, 19 miles.
yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'ma die. I'm gonna die. Sorry.
Nails, 10 o'clock.
I'm about to die. That's what I was gonna say. Yeah, so, I hope you liked this video. And I'm fucked. But where even... Oh, fuck. There he is.
He's blocking us.
I'm gonna give him something to think about for now. And he fired. I'm fucked.
Here we go again.
Yeah, okay, so... Jester, chaff. I'm notching. I'm trying to notch. Is the missile still... Did it go pitbull already, or... Is it tracking? No, it's not anymore. It went for my chaff. Okay, here we go.
There is a bandit. Flanker.
Fox 2.
High. 2 miles.
Fuck. Fuck. Flares.
1 o'clock high.
Shit, it went right by me.
Bandit is going down.
I got one. Second one on the nose right now. Fox 2.
160.
And I'm gonna go with a Fox 1. After that one.
He's right behind us. Shake him.
Yeah, shit.
Speed 250.
Dude, he's gonna defend two missiles right now. It looks good. It's looking good. Dude. This is
280.
fucking adrenaline right now.
Bogey, flanker,
Oh, there we
12
go.
o'clock,
Splash.
3 miles.
Splash.
The bandit is
That
going
was
down.
2 Su-27s. That was... Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god. Let's go. Yeah, the F-14, man, it's always got my back somehow.
310, almost corner.
Okay, now let's go for the little sneaky MiG-21 coward bastards that tried to get away from me, and yeah. Jester said jammer. We didn't even have a jammer, dude. That was all just luck. Okay, what it... They somehow just disappear on map and then they're back again. I guess it's just a problem with the fog of war thingy.
Okay,
18 miles.
he's locked.
Yes, and we've got a lock now. Okay. These two bastards are gonna die too.
Target, 17 miles.
Okay, come on. This is great. I was so lucky.
Target,
13 miles.
13 miles.
Should we give them something to think about already, or no, I'm just gonna wait. Let's get the HUD cam up. 11 miles. Come on.
We've got nailed 9 o'clock.
400 knots, how fast are
That's
they?
a fish bed.
It's a fish bed, yeah, Jester, I know.
Target, 10 miles.
Where's the second guy? Oh, there's the second guy. .2 miles, 9.0 miles, 8.9 miles. Oh, we're closing in pretty fast. Here goes the mighty Tomcat. And
Target,
Fox.
8 miles.
yep, Fox 1. Good launch. It's tracking. And that's already lucky again because these sparrows almost never track. Please don't go stupid, Sparrow. Yeah, it's already out of fuel. It's kind of bad.
Target, 5 miles.
It's either gonna hit him or not gonna. No, it's not gonna hit him. I know when they move like that, it's not gonna.
Okay, we
No.
got dirt at 2 o'clock. I lost lock.
Okay, here we go. Fox 1 again. This one's gonna track him, and it's gonna kill him. I'm
Target,
100%
3
sure.
miles.
If they go like that, it's gonna kill him. Yep, there we go.
It's
Splash.
game time.
It's game time, Jester, I know. MiG
The bandit
21
is
again
down.
ahead. Got Fox 2s. Cage seam. Fox 2 selected. Is he flaring?
Fish bed.
He
12
is.
o'clock, 2 miles.
Okay, I'm not gonna.
490.
Let's go for a gun kill maybe. On the merge.
12 o'clock.
No, it didn't hit him. I'm gonna go vertical. Because this MiG cannot follow me in the vertical. It's too damn small for that.
Ooh, 370. 12 o'clock.
Okay,
low.
come on, there he is. On our 12. Fox.
12 o'clock.
Fuck, why did I fire 2? It fired 2 at once. I did not mean to do, yeah. I didn't mean to do that, but there we go, Bandit's going down.
430.
Okay, this was fucking difficult.
6 o'clock.
Alright guys, because this video is gonna get too long if I do this right now, I'm just gonna quit right here. And yeah, we shot down 4 enemy airplanes. That was pretty terrific. Now, thank all of you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel or just like the video. And as always, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Bye.